Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have this nice Brazilian Jamaican look going on today. So if you guys want to see how I recreated this look, just keep on watching. All right, let's go. Welcome back to my channel, guys. As you can see, I got this little thing going on just to kind of hold my hairs back because I got so much hair. No, not really. I really don't. But anyway, I felt like this was going to be a look that I can kind of like can kind of give you guys. So yeah, let's do this. I feel like I'm a like one of those people that read palms, but I'm not. So this is all going to be in English. The next one I will do in Spanish. So yeah. All right, let's get to it. I'm going to go ahead and prime my face with this hydrating mist. It's from Hard Candy. Got it up. Okay. The foundation that I'll be wearing. Okay, so interruption there. The foundation that I'll be wearing is going to be the Maybelline 24 Hour Stay. And my color, I'm going to use the Golden Caramel. And I'm going to mix a little bit of this concealer. I think this makes the skin really smooth. I'm going to bring it all down your neck. Don't leave those marks underneath your chin, because a lot of people just get right here and they forget to blend down. Very important to blend. The concealer that I'm using is going to be the Milani, the one that I've been using, color Vanilla. Look. Alright guys, so I went ahead and added a second layer of concealer, and I'm going to go ahead and use the Mocha in the NYX. I'm going to put a couple of dots underneath, just so that everything looks kind of even. So when you guys see certain people's makeup, when you're like at the store or something, because that happens to me, a lot of the times, maybe you actually can find somebody that actually has just one foundation on, and it's beautiful and it sets really good with their skin and it just looks flawless. But then sometimes, like me, I have combination of concealer and contouring, setting, and all that, and all that makes a big difference, guys. So sometimes it's really hard to just go and say, go get this foundation, because I know it's not going to be like that, so that's happened to me a good bit. So I just go ahead and tell them, like, here, check out my channel, and then you can kind of see what I do and see if it works for you. Just like I check somebody else's channel and be like, oh, let me try that, just to see how it works with me. So there is nothing wrong with that. That's why we're here, to help each other out. So I'm just gonna go up just a little bit more with the little bit of concealer that I have on it, and just kind of bring it up, just to kind of smudge it out a little bit more, set it in the skin a little bit better, and just kind of more blended. So this is just a working process. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and set it in. I'm actually going to set it in with the Lancome Long Time No Shine setting powder. It looks like this. You can bring it all the way up to your nose, or just however you. All right, my people, so as you can see, I went ahead and did my concealer. I set it on my eye. I blended it out with this little brush that does not have a name. After I set it, I just kind of went in there and just kind of buffed out and removed the excess concealer. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and do the eyeshadows. I actually have two Huda eyeshadows. These are so cool. Let me show you the colors real quick. Just a little, so you can kind of see. Look how pretty they are. I'm going to mix and match and see how they go, so that way you guys can just kind of know that these are the colors that I'm going to be using. So I bought a couple of brushes, and this one is the Sigma E25 and the Sephora. This is a detailed precision brush, and I think it's going to be good like for highlighting the brows, the upper part right here, anything right here. So I thought this was a good brush to, you know, invest in. So I'm gonna go ahead and set in my eyes, and I'm gonna use the lightest shade. I think I'm gonna go in with, maybe the light green and this one right here, and see how it does. And I'm not going to add any powder beforehand. I think I'm gonna use this as my transition. Okay, so I went ahead and done both. I'm gonna go ahead and use the second green one right here and see how that looks. I'm gonna use it in the center. Ooh, these colors look good. These are popping colors. I like that. I feel like I don't have to stress about adding on. It actually like grabs really, really nice. So these are very nice colors. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this color right here. It's a fuchsia color. And I'm going to use this new E25 Sigma brush and see how it does. Oh God. All right, so. Dude, that is pigmented. I like that. That are like very pigmented. I have a lot of eyeshadows, they're really good, but this is like, you're dabbing, you're not having to like go like this and then dab on, you're like, where'd it go? But it's actually like really, really pigmented, so good. I'm gonna go ahead and use the orange right above and see how that does. Ooh, that looks pretty. Blending it upwards, very light-handed. So I'll probably end up going back and taking some green and going over it again. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave it like that. I'm gonna go and use a lighter pink shade that's right here and see how that does. No, let's use this one. See how it does without these settings. Okay, I set it in with some Fix Plus and see how that does. Okay, I picked it up slightly. I think I'm gonna go in with my finger and I think it's gonna actually grab better. Right there, because it just actually like removed. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so I went ahead and did the shadows and I'm going to go ahead and do the liner. I went ahead and added the liner and I'm going to go ahead and use these colors that I used on the top on the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and use a black underneath, just a very tight squeeze on the underlash. But mixing it in with the colors, it kind of does something. I'm gonna go ahead and add on the lashes and I'll be right back. I am back and I went ahead and did the inner corner with this yellow right here. And as you can see, and I went ahead and did the liner with the e.l.f. eyeliner, very affordable. And I'm gonna cover that extra little skin. If you have trouble doing this, this is optional. It does make the eye look so much fuller. You guys go and check out my Instagram. I'll leave the link there so that you guys can check out the picture or share it with other people that might be interested. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and use a NYX, and this is actually a blue mascara. Let me see, this lash is like, I don't know if it's coming loose or it was just me. Okay, maybe it was just me. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my waterline. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this blue purple mascara from NYX. So I'm pretty sure in the daylight, this color probably shows up better. It's looking nice. It made the inner part like a little bit more vibrant, like a more purple color. That was cool. Well, it made the black shadow look more purple. I'm gonna go ahead and use that yellow shade that I actually used in the inner corner, and I'm gonna see how this looks. Let me just clean off this brush. I thought it was a little bit cleaner, but no. Okay, so that way I'm not like really dragging it down. I just want literally a little line if I ever get to it. Okay, I think that should be good. Makes a heck of a difference. Let me go ahead and do the other eye. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I done the other eye. I don't know what I'm gonna call this look. I feel like a Brazilian kind of feel, like I'm kind of in Brazil. I don't know. I don't know what inspiration got me to do this, but I think it's looking pretty cute. I'm gonna use a white NYX color, and I'm gonna get it in this little bitty MAC. It's a MAC 210, and I'm gonna drag it in my waterline and see how that looks. See if it pops it out a little bit more. Oh yes. Oh my God, that really like took it to another level. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. I'm actually filling in my eyebrows just a little bit more. I feel like they needed to be darker with this eye color. So I went ahead and darkened them up just a little bit more, and I'm just using a black shadow just to give it a little bit of extra to the outer corners. So this is pretty much how it is looking, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and dust whatever little bit was of, I have a little bit of excess, but literally like nothing. So I really like those eyeshadows. They're a little bit, I guess since this is a different little mixture of colors, I kind of have to have a feel for them, play around with them and stuff, so I can kind of know what colors kind of go with what and what colors pop out with what colors. So it's just one of those things that you just kind of have to play around with. So cheekbone. A Jamaican Brazilian color. Jamaican because of the upper part, and then just kind of Brazilian, but the Jamaicans have really nice colors too, so it's kind of a mixture. So call it what you want, make it of it what you want. It's a Brazilian Jamaican vibe. There you go, Brazilian Jamaican vibe. Say it again, Brazilian Jamaican vibe. And I think I really like these colors I think next time I'm gonna go and do like a purple, because that purple is just kind of like giving me a vibe with these colors. So I'll do that next time in another look, and I hope I remember, and I'm gonna use more of a white, purple, and yellow. I don't know. Those kind of colors are inspiring me right now, and I wish I could just do another look. It's going to be the Anastasia in the color So Hollywood. So shiny and pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add that in. I'm gonna spritz my face a little bit beforehand with the Morphe setting spray, just so that it just kind of sets in. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply my, I'm gonna use this little baby right here and see how that works. Like I said, I just recently bought it, so let's see how it does. Ooh, okay. Coming together, guys. You know, everything just is a playing game, be patient kind of thing. Okay. Ooh, I'm a little shiny there. A little gloss going on. Okay, so the shinier the better, whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and contour my nose with that same powder. So let me finish this up for you guys, because it does take a little bit, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I went ahead and did my highlight on my nose, my upper lip, a little bit on the chin. So I'm gonna go ahead and be bold with my lip. So I'm gonna use the Anastasia color. It is the color American Doll, so it's a very bold red. All right, so let me set this to the side and swipe it down so you guys kind of check it out. I'm gonna clean it off real quick. I normally clean it just with this, just to kind of clean it off and put it back in the bottle. Okay. So guys, this was the look. Hope I don't have anything on my teeth, because sometimes I always have lipstick on there. This is the bad part about everything, that I have to take all this off. I don't want to take it off, but I do it for you guys. I'm like, I'm just gonna sleep like this in a pillow and wake up the next morning just looking radiant. I really want to do this. Oh, it looks so pretty. But hey. Guys, I really enjoyed doing this look for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed watching the process on how I did it also, and I hope you like the colors. So can't wait to do more. All right, bye.